So by the way guys, we're here with Madam Madam ano? Madam Marga. Ang fresh naman ni Marga.
Ang laki ng tiyan.
Actually, we're here in Nakil. So, I just visited her inside her salon. Ayan. Actually, pupunta kami sa ano guys. I'm going to Nakil, which is the Changi. But I don't know. First time ko pupuntahan, hindi ko pa alam kasi yung lugar. Hindi ko pa alam kung ang meron doon sa Changi na yun. So, we're going there, the guys. But Marcus, she's not available. So, I will be vlogging alone, not with somebody else. Alone you, because
It's all about your confidence.
yes, it's all about your confidence. Actually, we don't even filter.
How you carry yourself.
Oh yeah, that's right. Even you're wearing expensive dress, but you don't know how to carry it. Doesn't look like cheap. But even you're wearing 5 dirhams or something, but you know how to carry it. This look expensive. It's that your personality. Thank you. Ang ganda mo talaga. Ang ganda mo.
Overflowing confidence.
Yes, promise ma'am. Ibang aura mo ngayon. With the earrings and the necklace. Oh my god, parang iba-ibang aura mo.
Totoo ba?
Yes, of course. With the lipstick as well. Red.
Compliment with my
Oh yeah.
Charot.
And then actually, may problema lang sa'yo kasi mali ang pagkagawa ni Dr. Ambero sa ano mo. Namamaga ang tindi.
Hindi ko kasi maintip.
Ang pangit tingnan, ang kabababaeng tao tapos mamaga, nasa gilid yung ano, yung paa ng bata nasa gilid.
Panay nga tingin ng mga papel.
Yung nga eh.
Lagi sa baba nakatingin yung mga
Kasi actually, your face is so girl na. Then,
without any enhancement.
yes,
Charot.
it's natural.
Or without any...
Kaso lang kasi, may panira. Yung paa ng bata, lumilihis.
I'm confident without any enhancement, and it is organic. That's what we call organic. Charot.
Organic. Parang organic fertilizer. So guys, we're going now to Nakil guys. Mag-walk po tayo kasi si Marga is not available. So I'm gonna be alone on this vlog. So let's go guys. I go now. So see you later. Oh, you have to come with me guys. So we're heading to Nakil guys. But actually, nandito na po ako sa Nakil ngayon. First, we're going to visit, pass by with the Filipino salon here in Sahari, and the owners, my friends, will check if she's or he's around. Diba? Diba alam kasi babae o lalaki. So we're in Nakil now, so I'm walking right now. Oh, buti hindi na siya mainit masyado ngayon, so nakakalakad na ako. Time check is 6 o'clock, 6:20 na, pero maliwanag siya. 6:20 na. We have to go there like this. Actually dito kasi parang parang okay naman kasi ngayon hindi naman siya yung init, hindi masyado mainit, tama lang siya. So and naman kasi before it's humid, but now wala naman. Okay na, it's really nice the weather, you know. No, not hot, not cold, so it's better. But actually naman parang in this time parang you feel like climate in the Philippines na parang siya, warm lang naman, pero carry naman siya, you can manage. Not unlike the other day na it's very hot talaga. So you cannot manage because even you're walking the street, you sweat a lot. So you have to come this place to be safe because a lot of cars passing by. So mamasyal tayo guys. Ay, tumutulo siya guys. So ito yung sumama kay saan. This is the Nakil area. And you see this the mosque. Tama ba? Yeah. This traffic light here, this intersection. Supposed to be you have to go with the here at the To be safe, you just have to go for the pedestrian lane. Yan, dito oh. So, you see that. You have to go from here and dito yung nakakatakot to just look left and right before you pass. Ayun. Diba? And here, iliko ba? So that way it is going to July and that area. So we're going that place there. As you can see, yung may light na umilaw, we're pupunta tayo doon. It's quite far, pero okay lang kasi di naman siya mainit. So it's okay. Just like that. As you can see, pawis na pawis. Actually, I remember this road before, 5 years ago. Maganda pa to eh. During the time when the time na medyo ba bagits pa ang lola niyo. Nilalakad ko to actually. At that time wala pa yung ganyan na harang sa gitna. Wala pa yan siya. Nilalakad ko lang yan. So and we're all here already. Ito yung mga ng mga salamin, as you can see. Salamin. So let's go. Malapit na rin tayo guys. Actually, parang uminit bigla. Nainitan ako bigla. So lakad-lakad lang. Alam niyo naman. Lakad-lakad lang tayo. Maubos yung English ko ngayon, sir. So lakad-lakad lang tayo actually. Init. It's so hot. You know this place before, it's Manila Salon here. Yes, this one, it's Manila Salon before, but wala na siya ngayon. So we're going, almost arrived that place na. So we'll check later. We're arriving here at Nakhil, ano ba to? Mini Divisoria. So you start it inside, and I remember before may church kasi dito eh. So dito simula na yan. Mga textiles. But actually I don't know what happened kasi ni-renovate yata talaga sila. So we're here now. First, yes, as you can see. Yeah. Para silang mga mga damit, for mga damit. For mga textiles actually. Let's go inside. I don't remember before. First time I bring my phone. I buy phone here. But before anything else, so let's go here. Wala pa na siyang Divisoria, guys. Let's take a look. See, sana people there. Oh, at lahat ng mga electronics. Assalamualaikum. So all electronics here. O, diba, bawat kaliwat kanan, puro siya, mga textiles. Yan, mga maleta, as you can see. Yan, mga textiles siya, mga tela. I think this is a building, I don't know yet. So, we'll check here inside. Hello! So, I will see here inside. Check. Diba? Alam ko na to that. I know it before, but I've never been here for, dumadaan lang ako, pero hindi ko siya pinasok. So now we'll go check inside. What is it? Ganun na. Mga tela, all of this. Here. Oh, yes. Kaya mga tela siya. Ano ito man? Hello. Mahinang isip nila, guys. So, old dresses. Yung mga maleta. Ang ganda. Hello. Yeah, all checking. Ito yung mga maleta nila. Hindi ko alam kung matibay or I don't know. Ito kung matibay yung maleta nila. I'm looking for something. Ganda, ganda. Oh, hot. So hot. Ang init dito guys, promise. Pero ito, mainit yung place. Di ako makatagal actually. At tsura ko, ngarag na ako guys. Actually, para siyang Divisoria, pero little, para siyang smaller than Divisoria. So, let's go here, please. And this place naman, mga ano din siya, mobiles, trading, yan, mga sales book. And this area, it's, you know, electronics siya, guys. Yeah, pala nga siyang Divisoria. Samahan punta tayo. Meron siyang pharmacy. I remember before I just make my dubbing music here. Yes. Yeah, alala ko na. Yeah. Dito na ako nagpapadub ng ano, music before. So, mga shoes guys, oh. There's a lot of shoes. Bags. Sabi ko nga eh, para siyang Divisoria eh. And it's cheap lang naman siguro. Not sure. So we're going to other place here. Oh, mga candy, chocolates. Ang daming chocolates. So I think we're going to pass this way. Shortcuts. Okay. So we're becoming here. Yan, mga ano nila. All foods, more electronics. Honor. Smart electronics. All these mobile phones here, guys. Yan. Yeah, I don't remember small mobile phones here. Yes, I've been here. But actually, siguro mura mga phone dito. Hindi natin alam. So, laptop. Let's go to the other side. This is Gulf Cinema. So, you have to back it here. Wala sila. Assalamualaikum. So, it's so guys, I don't know where's the church. There's still a church here. Kasi before dito yung church. I don't know. Hindi ko na alam. Baka nilipat na yung church. It's quite far na. I don't know where. I will ask somebody else here. Where's the church? Ang pinapawisan talaga ako, promise. Dito pa rin church, guys. So, let's see, guys. Tingnan natin yung church.
5 minutes later.
At last, I found the church pa rin, same place. Pero, close sila ngayon. So, hanggang dito na lang. See you. Don't forget to subscribe.